Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines with Billy the Bumblebee. He's been helping us with these, the 2009 ImagineFX magazines, and we're getting near to the end now. We're into November, issue number 49. Cannot wait to get into this one. It's going to be brilliant. So let's go and have a look. Little Billy's going to get us in. Look. Ooh. Last week we had this one, which I'll put links and everything in the description. Look at that. It had a pull-out cover, which I think I've seen this maybe once or twice before on ImagineFX magazine. I seem to remember it, but I might be wrong. But that's amazing. But my favourite cover is still one of these two. I'm undecided at the moment. But what I would say is, if that was the front cover like that without any text on it, hey look, she's got ginger hair there, black hair. She looks much better with brown hair. Because that's the regular cover that you get in like WH Smith's, and this is the subscriber cover. So we get that on the front instead. Boring! No, it's not boring, but look, for me that's a 10 out of 10 cover, that is. It's one of those perfection ones. This is, I would say, 7. I like the composition of it and the storyness of it. I'm not keen on the colours, but like I say, I like covers with characters. It's a very different cover though, which is nice. It's nice that they do different. We do duvets. We don't do duvets. Billy's in. I love that. I want to see this. Look, Warren. There he is. Warren Louw. This was one of the very first artists I ever fell in love with back in 2013. Chris Delara and Warren Louw. And I believe I found them from ImagineFX magazines. When in 2013 I started getting ImagineFX magazines from WH Smith's, and I must have seen Warren Louw inside one of those. Went on DeviantArt, and the rest is history, as they say. in we go. Look, I love that face, Nick Harris. It's a funny face, isn't it? I bet he's a funny character, him. This is what we've got coming up inside of here. Look, upside down. These are nice. Patrick J. Jones. What a cool name. That is brilliant. Oh, I love that. I love everything about that. Love the style, the colours, the lighting, and the fact that they're like look, the fact that she's holding that cat's foot is like, it's like they're sort of talking to each other without words. I love that. Hello. Nice shape, isn't it? Beautiful shapes here. Yay, look at that. That's weird, isn't it? How weird. That is weird. I'd like to see more of their artwork. Hey, being original with your reference. That's Red Sonja, I'm sure of it. Tom Fleming shows us. I bet you that's Red Sonja. It doesn't say it is, but Tom Fleming. Tom Fleming. Bob Fleming here. Michael Jackson. Was Michael Jackson still alive in 2009? I can't remember. Hey, Callum Latwell's art studio. Nice. Marvel. Look, hey, look, Marvel. Look, Disney just. That's when Disney took Marvel. Disney took. I wonder if I wonder what people who were into Marvel thought about that. I wonder if like they I don't really know what happened. I wonder if did Disney destroy Marvel or have they made it better? It'd be interesting to know what people think. Letters with Claire. Oh yeah, full size images on the DVD. Look, so you can get full size images of that. That's gonna be nice. Here, look at that. Imagine if you saw that outside. That'd be weird. Game as well. Some very weird looking creatures in here. ImagineFX legend Michael Whelan. Oh yeah. That's cool. I like these. These are like they've got that sort of futuristic fantasy feeling. Yay! John Howe's sketchbook, look. Cool. He's into like dragons and fantasy things. I like that. Ho dos res Vegas. Jorge dos Rios Viegas. Sounds like you're trying to cast a spell. These are nice. Yay! FX Pose traditional. I like that outfit. It's like a mix of Poison Ivy and Robin Hood from Zenescape. Your characters there. ImagineFX Rising Star, Patry Balanowski. Oh yeah. Again, be interesting to see what they're up to now. Here we're going into the workshops there. That's cool. That's on the cover of the DVD, look. Hey, I didn't see those before. Oh, that's quite... Yeah, you're drawn to that and then you suddenly realise that there's... Because she's probably watching thinking, oh no, how can I help? Because he's on his own. Lovely pose that is, isn't it? Curvy, straight. Storyboarding for films, look. Love the way they've set this up. Yay! Strike a pose with Warren Louw. Strike a pose. That is such a perfection image. I don't like little bits in the corners like that. Yeah, you could have him look. He looks like the honey monster there. Billy the Thing. That's matey from Big Trouble Little China, isn't it? And Kurt Russell, that's it. "10 ways to be a better artist. Practice. Marshall Vandross, Animal Anatomy. Necks and heads. This is the penultimate week, look. This is his little 6-week Animal Anatomy course. Next week we're doing the face. Hey, that's oh, I thought it was James Gurney, but it's not. It's Craig Millans. It made me think of James Gurney, that did. There's the old 15-year-old reviews. Quite funny, really. The ultimate illustrations, that would be cool. Heavyweight Fantasy, a new selection of inspirational old school fantasy in black and white. That's going to be brilliant. Hey, it's Boris Vallejo and Judy Bell. Fringe. I started watching that and never. That's it. Look at that. What a way to finish. Oh yeah. I'm going to make that the thumbnail, I think, because yeah, I'm going to make that the thumbnail. I'm going to love that. Hope you enjoyed this one though. It was a look at issue number 49 of the ImagineFX Magazines for November 2009. So the next one's a 50th special look. That's cool, isn't it? Wonder what they do for the look. Oh look, 50 is going to be all. This would be a good one, I think. Hope you enjoyed this though, and I shall see you later for another one.